Obiora Okonkwo, Chairman, United Nigeria Airlines. We're here on a courtesy call to the Governor of Enugu State, and it is part of our program of annual retreat taking place in Enugu here, which is our hub. And then during that visit, we were able to discuss the need for closer relationship and partnership with the government of Enugu State. We were able to enumerate our strategic expansion plans within the year 2022. We're quite delighted that the governor understood that pretty well and granted all our requests. And with this request, we have no doubt within the next 12 months, we will see more of our presence in Enugu, and will be here for better and greater service to the people of the state. Governor actually had shown also that he's very comfortable with the aviation sector, having worked in the aviation committee in the National Assembly. So it was a very easy discussion. We understood ourselves without stress.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.